Hey everybody, so Tony Sousa made a post recently saying maintenance is your best amenity, and I 100% agree. And I'd like to join that concept with what Tony Blake was talking about recently on her Webinar Wednesday event, talking about how do we showcase the things that we're actually providing to residents, because some of the things that we provide are not really visible. You know, the taxes we pay, the insurance we pay, all these things are not necessarily visible. And it got me thinking about how do we showcase the real value of our maintenance beyond just saying we provide maintenance. How do we quantify it? So one of the tricky parts of that is with preventative maintenance, for example, we're trying to avoid something bad happening. So how do you quantify, how do you showcase something not happening, right? So I want to brainstorm, you all and me, right? We're going to talk about this. I want to create a list of ways that we can showcase and quantify the value of maintenance. At the same time, try not to make it sound like the property is falling apart. So if we say, oh, we fixed so many ACs, we fixed so many leaks, it's going to sound like the property is crumbling. So what are some interesting ways to quantify these things with also making sure it sounds positive and we're taking care of our residents? So in the comments below, share some ideas on what you think would be interesting ways to quantify or showcase the value of maintenance, and hopefully we can create an amazing list. Thanks y'all, bye.